Arigatou gozaimasu. This might be the best ice cream I've had in Japan. Please come here.
So anime beach episode.
Bro, these kids are building dolphins in the sand. Look at that. That is insane. What?
Vaughn, can you please censor out the...
Are you gonna take out the boxers? How are you
Oh
gonna do
no!
that?
You swim in your underwear. That's like a normal thing to do.
Yeah?
You swim with your underwear, bro?
I swim in my
Yeah,
underwear.
hell yeah.
Oh, it's cold! Ah! This is so cold. Run! Run as fast as you can! Go, Jacob! What's happening? We are cold!
But when you're digging the hole, what does it matter?
It doesn't matter if you're digging a hole.
Wait, guys, look here, our hole's kind of big. Look, guys, I don't have to censor my toes anymore.